Hey my dear friends, welcome back to the crypto community guys. In this video I'm going to explain a project that's called Nitro Betting my dear friends, and this project actually I can say that one of the biggest betting platform and work with Bitcoin my dear friends. You heard about right, you betting with coin my dear friends. So in this platform you can literally do anything you want, and it's easy to do, easy to use. I can say that what you can do in this platform, you can bet sports games, you can play casino games, you can play pokers, and in a short way you can get fun of this game my dear friends, and you can get lots of bonuses. So my dear friends, in this video I'm going to show that how you can register this platform, how you can make a deposit, how you can play those games, and how you can withdraw your money my dear friends. So before we watch the website, I want to mention it that that's not a financial advice, it's just informational. And let's see the website. As you can see my dear friends, they got a pretty cool website, and let's start with the explaining registering the platform my dear friends. The registering the platform kind of easy because you just only need your email, and then you need to verify this email, and doesn't even need any other things like your personal information or some kind of things. So my dear friends, let's after you register this platform, let's explain how you can deposit in this platform my dear friends. As you can see the right top side of the menu button, you click the menu button, then you click the deposit, then you get a QR code my dear friends, and also you get a code that related to your account deposit my dear friends. There is a two-way to make deposit in this platform. One way you can use this QR code for sending money to this platform. Also another way you can copy the code that gave you and send the money to that code my dear friends. As you can see my dear friends, I already make a deposit, and you can see how much amount I deposited this platform. Then let's just look what I got. As you can see my dear friends, they have a sports book, they have a casino, race book, poker, contest, bonuses, and deposit site my dear friends. In sport book you can see they got a lot of things: soccer, Germany, and international use, Denmark, tennis, baseball, so many things they got. And you can literally put the money to this sports, and at the end maybe you can win. And you already know what does betting mean my dear friends. You can win and you can lose it. So they got a casino games, and we will play in a few minutes later those games, and I'll show you how you can play these games. Then my dear friends, we also got a poker. You can, in this side also you can make a deposit, then you can play poker. It says that no download request, mobile friendly, absolutely anonymous, easy to use interface, available all on device, free tournaments, and so on my dear friends. Then you also got a contest let me see you in this section that says win big, win Bitcoin prizes, free to enter contests and promos my dear friends. You can join now. They got a survivor, peaks, and squares my dear friends, which is survivor rules is make the correct pick to the each round and advance to the next. The longer you stay alive, the bigger your chance of getting down the competition my dear friends, and pocketing the pot of Bitcoin prices. Then you gotta pick, and the more you pick get right, the higher your chance of winning prizes. The best part is there are always plenty of picks contents to join my dear friends. So you also gotta squares, and is just like a random square, and hope that the contains last digit of the final score of given event for a chance to pocket extra Bitcoin my dear friends. It doesn't get any easier than that. start picking your squares right now, my dear friends. Then let's see what they got about bonuses, my dear friends. They had a sport bonus, loyalty bonus, football season rebate, horse racing rebate, casino bonus, rakeback program, free spins, and I hope we try to get the casino bonus. In casino bonus said, I think that try your luck on your favorite slot game and unlock your special 200 percentage real wager bonus up to the 40 MBTC. Join Nitro Betting, play for real money, and enjoy the top of online gaming experience with selected bonuses, my dear friends, and promotions for casino and sport players, guys. If you need any more information, you can click the read more, my dear friends. Now we check all of the things. Let's start to playing, my dear friends. I want to start with neon wheels, my dear friends. Let's see what we got here. So my dear friends, as you can see, we got the game. So in this section we can get a decrease our amount of money we want to bet. Then we had a chance to get increase the amount of money we want to bet. We have a full bet section. With this section we have a reply click that we help that how you can want to reply it automatically. This help us to get our automatically reply. Now I just try to the least amount of money for betting, my dear friends. Let's try our chance. So I think that we couldn't earn something. Let's try again. Still we couldn't earn. Now we earn, my dear friends. We get 0.05 Bitcoin, my dear friends. Actually not exactly the Bitcoin, it is M Bitcoin. So after we getting this, I think that we should try a little bit more amount of money for betting, my dear friends. Let's try it. We got it. Then okay. Now we catch it, my dear friends. We got 0.2, my dear friends. So as you can see, my dear friends, we can win it a lot of money if we want. So I want to try another games, and I want to show you that how those games you can play. So my dear friends, I want to try CVT60 Blast. Let's see what we have. So my dear friends, we're going to try another games that called Sweet 60 Blast. Let's see, start with the at least amount of money we can bet. So we got like little amount, then we also got it. All of the things we gain is 0.030, my dear friends. If we can, I want to try the bonus bet. Then we need to a little bit like increase amount of money we want to bet. I think we couldn't win right now. Then we try again. Still we cannot win. So I just decrease the amount of bet. Still we cannot get. Now we get. I think that we couldn't get the money we lose, so I want to try another games. So my dear friends, we game now open. Let's try at least the amount of money we get. We can't win again. I think we get 3 games. I don't know. Let's try again. Still cannot get. and then we also cannot get. I want to try another game. I don't want to lose. So my dear friends, right now we try wild 7. I think that let's get at least amount of bet we can. Let's try it. Now we got something, but yeah, this less but not least. So let's try again. Now we got something. It is equal to 0.02. Now I think that we can increase the money. Let's try again. Now we got something. And we got, I like it. We won 7 free games, my dear friends. Now it's tried 7 free games. As you can see, my dear friends, playing this game so easy and winning so easy. Now you can see, guys, I just won 5x, dear friends. You can also play yourself, my dear friends. It is easy to play and easy to win. Now I got this. In free games, I just earn 0.46, my dear friends. I want to try again. We got 0.04. Let's see what we got. Now nothing. We got 2x, but nothing comes out. 0.02. Okay. From a difference, as you can see, I tried again and I won 0.045. Then I think that I withdraw the amount of money I won. So that's all about the platform, my dear friends. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to click the like button and subscription button. See you in the next video.